各位嘉賓、各位童軍，歡迎大家嚟臨參加香港童軍大會操。今日除咗有步操捲衣樂同埋頒發獎項之外，我哋仲安排咗一個精彩嘅童軍表演及巡遊節目。
Ladies and gentlemen, brother and sister Scouts, welcome to the Hong Kong Scouts Rally. It is a very important event for Scouts. Besides the march past and the presentation of awards, there is also Scouts performance and procession. You surely will enjoy the next 2 hours.
各位嘉賓、各位童軍，香港童軍總會會長、終審法院常任法官陳兆愷法官現已蒞臨，請保持肅靜。
Ladies and gentlemen, all Scouts, our President, the Honorable Mr. Justice Patrick Chan, Permanent Judge of the Court of Final Appeal, has arrived. Please keep silent.
香港童軍總會會長、終審法院常任法官陳兆愷法官現在進場，請各位嘉賓起立，各位童軍成員立正。
Ladies and gentlemen and Scouts, please stand.
現在恭請陳兆愷會長接受模範童軍優異旅團步操隊伍及樂隊嘅敬禮。
Now we have the honor to invite our President, Mr. Justice Chan, to receive General Salute from the Scouts of the Year, Distinguished Groups, Parade, and the Scout Bands.
General Salute! Start!
請各位就座。
Please be seated.
Order! Start!
接住係頒發2003年度模範童軍證書。模範童軍獎勵係嘉許無論喺童軍、學業或者工作、社區服務及與家人關係各方面都有優異表現嘅童軍成員。2003年度一共有6位童軍獲得呢個榮譽。
We are now going to give recognition to the Scouts of the Year 2003. Scouts of the Year is awarded to outstanding Scouts in recognition of their outstanding performance in study or work, serving the community, relationship with the family, and the Scout movement. In year 2003, 6 Scouts of the Year are selected.
現在請陳兆海會長頒發證書俾各位卓越嘅童軍。
Our President, Mr. Justice Chen, will now present the certificates to the Scouts of the Year.
佢哋係沙田西第10旅樂行童軍劉嘉敏、港島第1旅童軍鄭子陽、九龍第51旅幼童軍蕭啟仁、九龍第51旅幼童軍陳俊年、九龍第100旅幼童軍鍾翠珊、大埔北第17旅幼童軍楊增、多謝陳會長。
Thank you, President.
喺模範童軍兩旁有一隊隊排列得非常整齊嘅隊伍，佢哋係獲得本年度優異旅團榮譽嘅旅團。
The Scout Parade on both sides of the Scouts of the Year are formed by the recipients of the Distinguished Group Award.
今屆優異旅團獎勵計劃共有413個旅團獲得嘉許，分別係港島地域138個、九龍地域49個、東九龍地域45個、新界地域67個及新界東地域114個。優異旅團獎勵係嘉許過往1年有優異表現嘅旅團。獲獎旅團係需要得到地域總監推薦，以及由總會審批。獲獎嘅旅團除咗會獲頒發優異旅團彩帶之外，佢哋嘅成員亦可以獲得優異旅團章。呢個章喺未來1年內都可以佩戴喺制服上。
The Distinguished Group Award is awarded to the outstanding Scouts groups of the year in recognition of their progress and performance in the past 12 months. This year, 413 groups have achieved this award, 138 from the Hong Kong Island region, 49 from Kowloon region, 45 from East Kowloon region, 67 from New Territories region, and 114 from the New Territories East region. All members of the Distinguished Group may wear the badge of the Distinguished Group Award on their uniform for 1 year.
恭喜所有模範童軍及獲獎旅團。
Congratulations to all the Scouts of the Year and the Distinguished Group Award.
Party! Order! Start! Hey! Standard! Eight!
喺大會操儀式進行期間，我哋會升國旗及唱國歌。屆時請各位嘉賓及各位童軍起立，面向北面旗杆。當國旗、特區旗及會旗升起時，請一同高唱國歌。各級領袖喺升旗時請敬禮，直至升旗手敬禮完畢。
In the next part of the ceremony, raising the national flag and the singing of the national anthem will be arranged. When the national flag rises, please face the flagpole at the north side of the stadium and sing the national anthem loudly together. All leaders, please salute the national flag until the salute has been given by the flag raiser.
各位嘉賓、各位童軍，香港特別行政區財政司司長唐英年先生現已莅臨，請保持肅靜。
Ladies and gentlemen, all Scouts, the Financial Secretary of the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region, the Honourable Henry Tang has arrived. Please keep silent.
財政司司長唐英年先生現在進場，請各位嘉賓起立，各位童軍成員立正。
Ladies and gentlemen and Scouts, please stand.
Hey! Start! Color Party! Soldier! Start! On our guard! By the left, pink march!
陪同司長進場嘅有會長陳兆海法官、香港總監包少雄總監、執行委員會主席梁安福太平紳士、師傅何偉智先生、大會操協調人李家山總監，同埋由本年度獲得貝登堡獎章、榮譽童軍獎章及總領袖獎章嘅童軍所組成嘅儀仗隊。
The Financial Secretary, Mr. Tam, is accompanied by the President, Mr. Justice Chen, the Chief Commissioner, Mr. Pao Shiu Hong, Chairman of the Executive Committee, Mr. Leung On Fuk, Treasurer, Mr. Paul Ho, the rally organizer, Mr. Garson Lee, and the guards of honor formed by the recipients of the Baden Powell Award, Hong Kong SAR Scouts Award, and the Chief Scouts Award.
All our gathering at once! Left, hut!
現在係升國旗、唱國歌，請各位嘉賓同埋童軍面向球場北面旗杆。
We are now going to raise the national flag and sing the national anthem. Please face to the flagpole at the north side of the stadium.
Way! More to the left, every! Left, hut! Hooray! General salute! Start! Color Party, change start. Color Party, order start.
今年童軍大會操，我哋好榮幸邀請到財政司司長唐英年先生擔任主禮嘉賓。現在恭請財政司司長唐英年先生致辭。
It is our honor to have the Financial Secretary, the Honorable Henry Tang, to be the guest of honor of the Scouts Rally this year. May we have the honor to call upon Mr. Tang to address the rally. Mr. Tang, please.
陳會長、包總監、各位嘉賓、各位童軍，早晨！我好榮幸出席一年一度嘅香港童軍大會操，見證在場3萬多名童軍嘅誓詞，重申咗你哋對國家盡責任嘅承諾。香港回歸祖國7年，社會各界人士嘅民族意識係日漸強烈。喺推動國民教育嘅工作上邊，香港童軍嘅運動可算係當中嘅表表者。當你哋加入童軍嘅時候，你哋已經係作出咗承諾，宣誓對國家盡責任。我知道喺日常嘅童軍運動同埋訓練當中，課程嘅內容係包括咗對國家同埋對國旗、國歌嘅了解同埋認識嘅，以進一步深化大家嘅國家觀念。剛才當國旗徐徐升起嘅時候，聽到你哋激昂地頌唱國歌，我都能夠深深咁樣感受到大家對國家嘅情懷。中華民族嘅歷史源遠流長，透過認識同埋欣賞民族傳統同埋歷史文化，係有助加強大家對祖國國情嘅認識同埋對祖國嘅歸屬感。我知道你哋近年來同內地嘅交流係日趨緊密，我鼓勵大家多啲參加呢一類嘅考察交流活動，因為透過咁樣嘅活動，大家不但係可以親身咁樣接觸下祖國嘅事物，更加能夠加深對祖國嘅風土人情、歷史文化嘅認識，感受到國家民族嘅親切同埋國家全面建設小康社會經濟嘅活力。另一方面，藉住呢一啲交流嘅機會，大家係可以向內地青少年介紹下你哋童軍運動嘅意義，等佢哋認識呢一項深受世界各地歡迎、別具特色嘅活動同埋訓練。各位童軍，我希望大家時刻緊記住童軍嘅誓詞，大家切切實實咁樣去實踐對國家盡責任嘅承諾，關懷我哋嘅祖國，將自己同國家嘅發展聯合起嚟，為未來共同建設國家做好準備，做出令我哋驕傲嘅貢獻。多謝各位。
多謝唐司長。
Thank you, Mr. Tang.
Color Party, start! On now, guard! Move to the left and face. Left, cut! On now, guard! You march off by the right, quick march!
請 請唐英年司長檢閱步操隊伍，由陳兆海會長及包兆雄總監陪同。
Mr. Tang is going to inspect the parade. He will be accompanied by the President, Mr. Justice Chen, and the Chief Commissioner, Mr. Pao Xiu-hong.
May I have a permission to march past and march off, sir, please? Thank you, sir. Parade march to the white gate, Colombo good! Right! Stop! Parade march past and march off in quick time! Fire to the left, quick, march!
步操隊伍會由總會及地域旗隊以及青少年活動處儀仗隊組成嘅護旗隊帶領出場。今日總共有23個童軍單位參加分列式步操。
The parade are led by the Scouts Association of Hong Kong and the regional color parties, and the escort to color from ceremonial team of the program branch.
屯門東第25旅深資童軍團
Bench Scout Unit of the 25th Twin Moon East Group,
荃灣第2旅
the 2nd Chin Wan Group.
現在操過檢閱台嘅樂隊係由港島第221旅及九龍第133旅童軍樂隊組成。
The Scout bands passed by are coming from the 221st Hong Kong Group and the 133rd Kowloon Group.
現在恭請財政司司長唐英年先生為我哋頒發全港性比賽嘅錦標，同埋各童軍支部嘅最高獎勵。請包少雄總監陪同。
Now we have the honor to invite Mr. Tang to present the trophies to winners of competitions and certificates of highest awards in various Scout sections. Accompanying him is the Chief Commissioner, Mr. Pao Xiu-hong.
首先頒發樂雄童軍錦標。樂行童軍錦標係頒俾樂行童軍團際賽中優勝嘅樂行童軍團。
Now the presentation of Rover Scout Trophy. It is presented to the champion of the Rover Scout competition.
優勝旅團係新界東雙魚第4旅。
The winner is the 4th Xiangyu Group of the New Territories East Region.
現在頒發童軍支部嘅加爾頓錦標。呢個錦標係頒俾加爾頓錦標賽中優勝嘅童軍團。
Now the presentation of the Carlton Trophy. It is presented to the champion of the Carlton Trophy competition.
奪標旅團係港島第15旅。
The champion is the 15th Hong Kong Group.
現在頒發海童軍錦標。呢個錦標係頒俾本年度童軍賽船大會最佳航海及划船技能嘅海童軍旅。
Now the presentation of the Sea Scouts Trophy. The Sea Scout Trophy is for the best Sea Scouts troop in seamanship and pulling boat technique in this year's Scout Regatta.
優勝旅團係港島第12海童軍旅。
The champion is the 12th Hong Kong Sea Scouts Group.
現在頒發貝登堡獎章證書。貝登堡獎章係樂行童軍支部嘅最高獎勵，以表揚樂行童軍喺服務、童軍技能、探險及生活體驗各方面嘅成就。
Now the presentation of certificates of the Baden-Powell Award. The Baden-Powell Award is the highest award for Rover Scouts to recognize their achievements in community service, Scoutcraft, exploration, and design for living.
本年度共有29名樂行童軍考獲貝登堡獎章。
This year, 29 Rover Scouts have gained the Baden-Powell Award.
現在頒發榮譽童軍獎章證書。榮譽童軍獎章係深資童軍支部嘅最高獎勵，以表揚佢哋嘅責任感、自立能力、活動及探險各方面嘅成就。
Now the presentation of the certificates of the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region Scouts Award. The Hong Kong SAR Scouts Award is the highest award for Indian Scouts to recognize their achievements in responsibility, self-reliance, activity, and exploration.
本年度共有59名深資童軍考獲榮譽童軍獎章。
This year, 59 Venture Scouts have gained the Hong Kong SAR Scouts Award.
繼續頒發總領袖獎章證書。總領袖獎章係童軍支部嘅最高獎勵， 以表揚佢哋喺童軍技能、歷險活動、文化藝術活動、關懷社區、身心健康、承擔責任、服務及領導才各方面嘅成就。
Now the presentation of certificates of the Chief Scouts Award. The Chief Scout Award is the highest award for Scouts to recognize their achievements in Scoutcraft, adventurous activities, cultural activities, care of the community, personal health, work commitment, services and leadership.
本年度共有229名童軍考獲總領袖獎章，佢哋將會分3隊接受證書。
This year, 229 Scouts have gained the Chief Scouts Award. They will come forth in 3 squads.
現在請第一隊代表接受證書。
The first squad, please.
現在頒發金紫荊獎章證書。
Now the presentation of certificates of the Golden Bohemia Award.
金紫荊獎章係幼童軍支部嘅最高獎勵，以表揚幼童軍喺戶外挑戰、歷險挑戰、群體合作以及領袖才各方面嘅成就。現在奔向場中嘅就係獲得金紫荊獎章嘅1000多名幼童軍。
The Golden Bohemia Award is the highest award for Cub Scouts to recognize their achievements in outdoor challenge, adventure challenge, teamwork and leadership. Those who are running to the middle of the Terrapolis are over 1,000 Golden Bear awardees.
本年度共有1139名幼童軍考獲金紫荊獎章，佢哋會由5個地域及銀禧居代表接受證書。
This year, 1,139 Cub Scouts have gained the Golden Bohemia Award. 6 Cub Scouts representing Cub Scouts of 5 Scout regions and the Silver Jubilee District will receive the certificates.
佢哋係港島地域、
Hong Kong Island region,
九龍地域、
Kowloon region,
舉高啲。
東九龍地域、
East Kowloon region,
拍手掌。放低，放低。
新界地域、
New Territories region,
新界東地域、
New Territories East region,
舉高啲，兩隻。好，放低。喂，拍。
銀禧區、
喂，
Silver Jubilee District,
行呢區。
多謝唐司長。
Thank you very much, Mr. Tam.
現在恭請陳兆海會長為我哋頒發公職榮譽獎勵，由大會操協調人李家山總監陪同。
Now we have the honor to invite the President, Mr. Justice Chen, to present the awards for merits. Accompanying him is the rally organizer, Mr. Garson Lee.
本年度共有15位政務委員及童軍領袖獲頒公職榮譽獎章，以表揚佢哋童軍運動嘅貢獻。
Now the presentation of Distinguished Service Medals. This year, 15 administrators and Scout leaders are awarded Distinguished Service Medals in recognition of their distinguished services to the Scout movement.
大埔北區副會長李炳貴先生，
Mr. Lee Peng Kwai, Vice President, Taipo North District.
助理香港總監童軍之友社陳樹英太平紳士，
Mr. Chen Xu-ying, JP, Assistant Chief Commissioner, Friends of Scouting. 新界東地域助理地域總監青少年活動黎澤林先生， Mr. Sammy Lai Chak Lam, Assistant Regional Commissioner, Program, New Territories East Region.
荃灣區區總監陳建生先生，
Mr. Franklin Chan Kin Sang, District Commissioner, Chuen Wan District. 國際及內聯處總部總監張正財先生， Mr. Zhang Ching Choi, Headquarters Commissioner, International and Liaison Branch.
公共關係處總部總監曾永康先生，
Mr. Chung Wing Hong, Headquarters Commissioner, Public Relations Branch. 新界地域總部總監幼童軍金永康先生， Mr. Cam Wing Hong, Regional Headquarters Commissioner, Cub Scouts, New Territories Region. 沙田北區副區總監崔志強先生， Mr. Choi Chi Kang, Deputy District Commissioner, Sha Tin North District. 旺角區助理區總監幼童軍黃耀光先生， Mr. Wong Yiu Kwong, Assistant District Commissioner, Cub Scouts, Mongkok District. 北葵涌區助理區總監幼童軍呂偉強先生， Mr. Lui Wei Kang, Assistant District Commissioner, Cub Scouts, North Kwai Chung District. 屯門西區助理區總監唐秀娟女士， Ms. Tong Sao Kun, Assistant District Commissioner, Venture Scouts, 屯門 West District. 港島南區區領袖顏瓊偉先生， Mr. An King Wei, District Scouter, Hong Kong Island Southern District. 元朗西第14旅旅長英麗成先生， Mr. Ying Lai Sing, Group Scout Leader, 14th Yuen Long West Group. 港島第15旅副旅長謝偉良先生， Mr. Stephen Sher Wei Leung, Assistant Group Scout Leader, 15th Hong Kong Group. 南葵涌第8旅深資童軍團長鄭月少女士， Ms. Chen Yu Siu, Venture Scout Leader, 8 South Kwai Chung Group.
現在頒發公職榮譽十字章。本年度共有14位政務委員及童軍領袖獲頒公職榮譽十字章，以表揚佢哋對童軍運動嘅優異貢獻。
Now the presentation of Distinguished Service Cross. This year, 14 administrators and Scout leaders are awarded the Distinguished Service Cross in recognition of their distinguished services to the Scout movement.
總會執行委員會副主席黃發仁先生，
Mr. Raymond Wong Fat Yan, Deputy Chairman, Executive Committee.
童軍演藝委員會副主席鄧桂能太平紳士，
Mr. Tang Kwai Nang, BBS JP, Vice Chairman, Scout Performing Arts Committee.
助理香港總監東九龍地域莫樹權先生，
Mr. Richard Mok Shu Kun, Assistant Chief Scout Commissioner, East Kowloon Region.
副內地聯絡總監梁業雄先生，
Mr. Raymond Leung Yip Hong, Deputy Liaison Commissioner.
新界地域副地域總監活動與訓練劉植生先生，
Mr. Lau Chik Shang, Deputy Regional Commissioner, Program and Training, New Territories Region.
助理公共關係總監蕭伯明先生，
Mr. Siu Park Ming, Assistant Public Relations Commissioner.
港島西區區總監何偉強先生，
Mr. Ho Wai Kang, District Commissioner, Hong Kong Island Western District. 九龍灣區區總監廖才先生， Mr. Liu Choi, District Commissioner, Kowloon Bay District.
慈環山區副區總監林寶瓊女士，
Ms. Lam Po King, Deputy District Commissioner, Chee Wan Shan District.
灣仔區幼童軍區區長黃禮和女士，
Ms. Ida Wong Lai Wo, District Cub Scout Leader, Wan Chai District. 荃灣第九旅旅長劉廣華先生， Mr. Lau Kwong Wah, Group Scout Leader, 9 Chuen Wan Group.
九龍第133旅副旅長潘顯邦先生，
Mr. Henry Poon, Assistant Group Scout Leader, 133rd Kowloon Group.
屯門東第九旅深資童軍團長劉富國先生，
Mr. Lau Fu Kwok, Venture Scout Leader, 9 Tuen Mun East Group. 亞太區童軍委員會主席 Mr. Anthony Dung。Mr. Dung 亦都係新加坡童軍總會國際總監。 Mr. Anthony Dung, Chairman, as Asia Pacific Regional Scout Committee. Mr. Dung is also the International Commissioner of the Singapore Scout Association.
現在頒發獅勳章及龍勳章，呢兩個獎章係香港童軍總會頒俾童軍領袖同埋政務委員嘅最高榮譽，以表揚佢哋對童軍運動長期超卓服務同埋傑出嘅貢獻。
Now the presentation of the Lion Awards and the Dragon Awards to Scout leaders and administrators. These are the top awards of our association presented to the Scout leaders and administrators for their exceptional services to the Scout movement over very substantial periods.
首先頒發銅獅勳章，本年度共有4位童軍領袖獲頒發銅獅勳章。
Now the presentation of the Bronze Lion. This year, 4 leaders are awarded the Bronze Lion.
第一位獲獎嘅係灣仔區區總監容建文先生。
The first recipient is Mr. Yong Kin Man, District Commissioner, Wan Chai District.
容總監多年來推動童軍運動不遺餘力，不但積極拓展旅團及成員人數，區內傑出旅團眾多，而且喺多次嘅全港性比賽中獲獎。恭喜容總監！
Congratulations, Mr. Yong.
第二位獲獎嘅係銀禧區區總監 Mrs. Sheila Denise Davis。
The second recipient is Mrs. Sheila Denise Davis, District Commissioner, Silver Jubilee District. Mrs. Davis is very enthusiastic in promoting scouting and conducting leadership training courses for the English-speaking groups in Hong Kong. She has been the District Commissioner of the Silver Jubilee District for 10 years.
Mrs. Davis 任銀禧區區總監已達10年，一直致力發展非華語旅團及為非華語領袖舉辦訓練課程，表現卓越。恭喜 Mrs. Davis！
Congratulations, Mrs. Davis.
第三位獲獎嘅係九龍地域副地域總監常務余煥懷先生。
The third recipient is Mr. Gilbert Yu, Deputy Regional Commissioner, Operations, Kowloon Region.
余總監負責管理基維爾營地及九龍地域嘅公共關係工作，以致力各區嘅合作與溝通，表現出色。恭喜余總監！
Congratulations, Mr. Yu.
第四位獲獎嘅係助理香港總監港島地域黃德良先生。
The fourth recipient is Mr. Charles Wong Tak Leung, Assistant Chief Commissioner, Hong Kong Island Region.
黃總監多年來積極拓展港島地域內嘅旅團及成員人數，考獲各支部最高獎章嘅成員數目亦以倍數增加，並舉辦多項地域大型活動，亦為地域開源節流、鞏固財政儲備、改善地域總部設施，表現優異。恭喜黃總監！
Congratulations, Mr. Wong.
現在頒發青龍勳章，獲頒發青龍勳章嘅政務委員有
Now the presentation of Bronze Dragon.
童軍之友社副會長顧思聰先生。
The first recipient is Mr. Koo Si Chung, Vice President, Friends of Scouting.
顧先生多年來慷慨贊助童軍運動經費，近18年一直支援童軍之友社嘅青少年服務發展工作，表現出色。恭喜顧先生！
Congratulations, Mr. Koo.
第二位獲獎嘅係總會副會長李巨能先生，李先生同時亦係港島地域會長。
The second recipient is Mr. Solomon Lee, Vice President of the Association. Mr. Lee is also the President of the Hong Kong Island Region.
李先生服務童軍運動近50年，慷慨贊助童軍運動經費。2003年更成立李巨能基金，資助旅團發展及資助童軍成員參加露營活動。恭喜李先生！
Congratulations, Mr. Lee.
現在頒發銀獅勳章，本年度共有2位童軍領袖獲頒發銀獅勳章。
Now the presentation of the Silver Lion. This year, 2 leaders are awarded the Silver Lion.
第一位獲獎嘅係助理香港總監 公共關係鄧紀寧先生。
The first recipient is Mr. Patrick Tang K. Ling, Assistant Chief Commissioner, Public Relations.
鄧總監領導公關處推行多項工作及計劃，積極宣傳童軍運動，建立童軍形象，致力促進本會對內及對外嘅溝通與聯繫，亦協助總會舉辦多項大型活動，表現出色。恭喜鄧總監！
Congratulations, Mr. Tang.
第二位獲獎嘅係助理香港總監青少年活動陳超玲女士。
The second recipient is Ms. Ophelia Chan Chiu-Ling, BBS Assistant Chief Commissioner, Program.
陳總監致力發展青少年活動工作，不時就各部支部嘅訓練政策同埋課程作出檢討及更新，以迎合不同年齡青少年發展嘅需要，並使童軍活動能與時並進，成績優異。恭喜陳總監！
Congratulations, Ms. Chan.
現在頒發銀龍勳章，本年度共有2位政務委員獲頒發銀龍勳章。
Now the presentation of Silver Dragon. This year, 2 administrators are awarded Silver Dragon.
獲獎嘅係新界東地域主席鄺啟圖先生。
The first recipient is Mr. Kwong Kai-to, Chairman, New Territories East Region.
鄺主席自1956年起參加童軍運動，48年嚟曾出任旅長、區總監、副地域總監等職位，現任新界東地域主席。除慷慨贊助總會及地域多項大型活動外，更積極參與各項童軍事工，對童軍運動有超卓貢獻。恭喜鄺主席！
Congratulations, Mr. Kwong.
第二位獲獎嘅係職員事務委員會副主席姚欣能先生。
The second recipient is Mr. Yu Yan Nang, MBE, Vice Chairman, Staff Panel.
姚先生參加童軍運動45年，近10年積極參與職員事務委員會嘅工作。姚先生運用其對香港勞工法例及人事管理嘅知識同埋經驗，改善本會嘅人事管理政策。恭喜姚先生！
Congratulations, Mr. Yu.
多謝陳會長。
Thank you very much, Mr. President.
我哋再一次恭賀今日所有獲獎嘅人士。
Congratulations again to all the award recipients.
跟住落嚟係童軍表演及巡遊節目，請大家細心欣賞。
Now the Scouts performance and procession. 喺頒發完所有獎勵之後呢，跟住係有精彩嘅表演同埋巡遊節目。首先呢，係會由5個支部呢為大家精心炮製嘅表演。今年表演嘅節目嘅主題呢係快快樂樂做童軍。首先出場嘅係300名小童軍，節目嘅名稱呢係快樂散。佢哋全部咧都係着咗啲唔同顏色嘅運動服裝，配以土耳其進行曲、世界真細小呢啲咁嘅背景音樂。隨住呢個音樂，佢哋會跳躍同埋用快樂傘表演唔同嘅花式同埋遊戲，表現小童軍歡愉嘅一面。歡迎5至8歲嘅小朋友加入我哋嘅大家庭，成為童軍運動嘅一份子。